Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to Morne Longue River and we have Corey, Raw, that's our tour guide for now, Miriam, Owen, oh god, start with S, and then yeah. Off we go.
That's on my. Very.
I kill you.
Drop him here?
Eh? Well, yeah, I think. Thank you very much. This right here is nice name. What's the name?
My name is Avani.
Avani.
Welcome to the Spice Isle. Also called, aka, the country that is known for dung in the meat.
Oh my god.
Yeah, no? Welcome to my crew.
Only that river looking deeper and I cannot swim. Yeah, that side kind of deep. I cannot swim, so. But how we reaching down there? Only that was a nice little hike, eh? Okay, so we're all taking us to a shortcut. No, let's go to the shortcut. Adventure time, so we're following Raul. If anything happened to us, all that money. Careful, oh
Take
god.
a card, put the GPS on your camera or something. You know?
Oh, this animal will never find us now. We need to leave something in the road. Mark your name. Anybody else?
And she's serious. She's about to mark her name.
To Otis. Otis, tell him there's bamboo. Right. Let's take the leaves and start Otis. Auntie, put the camera away. Okay.
okay, darling. Sorry. Okay, my manager.
If you fall,
Auntie, Auntie, put the camera away.
Auntie.
Easy.
Not for you.
Not for you. Auntie, how bad news you bringing me?
She said, Auntie, I have bad knees. How old are you?
My body is 80, but I'm 70. I didn't ask to go no push.
Oh, God.
Ask for adventure?
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
You told me we're going on the boat.
I told Shivani.
You did not.
We will go.
Silence! I can't. Woo.
You know, it's horror movies.
Okay. This is the view. Not bad.
Don't be no scripted things.
A good thing I don't watch horror movies, so I have no idea what she's saying.
Insidious girl.
I have no idea. Careful! We almost have a follow. Okay, I don't know why they're scared to walk over this bamboo, but careful! She said she's 17 and her body is 80, so.
Yeah. Woo, woo.
Okay, she's trying to answer, so there's other people, I think they're washing. Oh, this is not a bad shortcut, but still need to be careful. Okay.
When you make a job, when you're talking about, pick up the selfish in my mouth. And the job you like. And the job you want.
The job in the back. Oh, it's beautiful, and it sounds pretty. Cross it where? We got to cross the river. We got to jump the river stone. Oh no. Oh God. Okay, we're safe. Everybody got to take their shoes off.
Nope.
Oh my God, hold on. Oh my goodness. I was trying to hold on to the bamboo, but the bamboo moving. Okay, so we have to, well, I have to take off my shoes because I have nothing else to go back home with. So hold on. Maybe this is the part now. Maybe we can stay here now. Find we can stay here. Our little friend, I find we can stay here. Don't put your life in jeopardy. Stay in here. I'm pretty sure the water is cold.
Somebody play cold water.
I do.
You play cold water?
Not me. Water. The water is cold.
Why don't I look so
Oh no! Roll, you okay?
You okay?
No, somebody, please.
Yo, you alright?
Come.
Take off your shoes. It's fresh water, so it's not like...
Guys. It's fresh water. What is that? What is that?
stones, you can fall like me.
The big stone over there. Dry, nice big stone.
She can't make it. We made it. All right. Be careful! She has the shoes for the water though.
Walk in the water. The back water, bro?
No.
Walk in the water.
Auntie is stressed.
You go fall. Okay, never mind. Yeah, just walk in the water. Take your time.
Some of the stones slippery, so don't step on it so hard.
Walk in the water. Yeah, just walk right there. Walk right there.
Yeah, walk in the water. Oh my gosh.
Shivani, the bag will throw you down.
Okay. She proved us wrong.
Yeah.
There was a big hole there, I didn't want to fall through.
And this is the worried auntie. Thank you. Come. You ready?
That person, please. I just put it around. What happened to that? Here. Let's run it. Let's run it. Let's run it. Hold on.
Ready? Oh, it's just your plane. Oh, again.
Okay. That's one? Yeah.
What's this going to big rock now? Alright. I waiting on you.
I'll be ready.
He sung like surf us? Alright. Let's Kelly. What is what you were saying? What you were saying? What you were saying? Look, the boat is here.
No, I like that one.
You don't like it?
I would have fun when I get in Poland.
You're getting cool.
What time now?
We back.
Okay, so they made this.
Last two.
Alright.
Last two there.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. Almost spot.
Best hike ever. Pack up like sardines in the back here, but it's alright. I'll let me reach.
It's like a dog. 20 puppies.